Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some party wings right here. I'm about to put them together. We're going to throw them on the grill. And happy Friday to my good family and friends out there. I hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Have a safe and blessed weekend. And it's the season that we're using. We have our lime seasoning, our garlic and herb. We have that Texas barbecue seasoning rub and soy sauce. So we go ahead and move that out the way. And here we go right here. It's been marinating overnight. So that's how we looking. Overnight marinade. And that's everything we use right there. We also have some shrimps that we let marinate also. So we're about to go ahead and put everything on the grill. We're gonna make it happen. And don't forget, hit that like button for me. That really helps my channel. And appreciate everybody for the support. Okay, so this how we looking right here. Nice color. So the chicken that y'all seen on the plate, what I did with this, I used the same seasoning. I just didn't use no soy sauce. I used some hot sauce for it. Make it a little spicy. But once it's done and over with, we'll add a little bit of honey to it. Get a little sweetness. And that right there, that's well seasoned and marinated overnight. So we looking good. That's how we looking right there. See that color? That's what I'm looking for. That good, beautiful color right there. All right, we're gonna wait for this to finish cooking, and then we're gonna do a nice update on the garden. And the garden looking good too. I'm not gonna show the whole garden just yet, but we'll do a nice little update right along with this video. Okay, so we have our rice right here, soaked, rinsed real good. So the rice is looking good. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer this rice into our butter bowl. Yes, butter bowl, country crock. And we'll throw it in the microwave. Okay, so we have our sweet baby Ray. Barbecue sauce. We'll add our honey. A good wildflower. And now we'll go ahead and go to this grill. So remember, this the spicy right here. It's that spicy chicken. It's gonna be fire. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Okay, so we have cucumbers, freshly from the garden. I just cut it up, and that's how good, you know, my wife doing her thing. Now we're gonna season it up. We're gonna throw this bad boy on the grill. Mushrooms. We haven't started growing these yet, but in due time. So the season I'm using is that good vinegar seasoning. We're gonna try it for the first time. on these good vegetables. So that's how we looking. We can throw this on the grill. Alright, so we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Boom, here go our rice right here. This 3 cups of rice, only for 10 minutes. Okay, so we using some of this chicken bouillon tomato. So we got 3 teaspoons of that chicken bouillon tomato. Okay, so here go the whole picture right here. Look at it. We have our barbecue baked beans. Yup. We have our barbecue party wings. You know I had to throw my shrimps on there. I had to. Okay. So this the picture right here. That's that $1 million picture. Oh yeah, one more thing. We're not gonna do the garden tonight because it done got too dark. My bad. But I'll make sure I'll do an update on the garden tomorrow. My wife, she didn't did her thing. She had the green thumb for real. She didn't really did her thing. But we'll do a video. That'll be a different video for tomorrow. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again. Look at us. We have our barbecue baked beans with the mushrooms. A little smoked sausage that I cut up with it, a pepper sausage. We have our dirty rice, seasoned dirty rice. Seasoned with that chicken bouillon tomato. We have our barbecue little party wings, chicken. We have our grilled, on the grill, shrimp. You know, we gotta have that cucumber. That's freshly from the garden. And yes, I will be doing an update on the garden tomorrow. Like I say, the wife, she done did her thing in that good garden. She really have a green thumb. Making it happen. So that's how we looking right here in my good kitchen, doing my thing. I hope y'all enjoyed my little video. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you don't mind, share my video. Let's get these videos out. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the dick, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right.